Let's turn your videos from this to this. So bang matutunan mag-download ng video sa TikTok ng walang watermarks? Follow these easy steps. So open your phone, open the TikTok, at punta mo yung video na gusto mong i-download. For example, yung video ni Fukarat, i-download natin. So click the copy link, and then close the TikTok, and then go to the Safari, and then open the Snap TikTok. Yan guys, snaptik.com. The free download lang yan guys, so paste mo dyan yung link, and then click download, and click HD. Yan, so FYI lang guys, meron niyang ads, kaya antay mo lang. So after nung ads na matapos, mag-automatic magda-download yan. Ayan, loading yung download. And then yeah, that's it. Open the downloads, and then save the video. And yeah, finally, wala na siyang watermarks.
Yay!
Sobrang dali lang, di ba? Try mo na.